All right, guys, this is JOATD back with another video. I know how you guys love the review video I did for the SEESE Cordless pressure washer. I'll put a link up in the top right-hand corner for you guys if you have not seen that video, but everybody loved it, okay? So now I got something different. Check this out. The SEESE Cordless Turbo Blower. Let's see what's in the box. Got a manual. Oh, we got another 21-volt battery. We also have an actual charger. This is what I wanted for the other cordless SEESE. Look at this right here. Ooh. That thing looks crazy. And it's like very, very light. Very light. And what is this? Some earplugs. I mean, what is it? Tornado gonna come out of this thing or something? That's crazy. Let's see what it can do. You know, for this thing to be so cheap, these batteries snap into this thing perfect. Let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah, you hear that? It's actually moving my hand. That's crazy. Let's see it in action. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some water all over the car because technically that's what it's for. To be honest with you, it's so cheap, I would purchase it just to be a fan to cool me off when I'm outside, you know? I mean, why not? 25 bucks. Cordless, can take it wherever you want. I'll use it for that. But it's intended to use on a vehicle when it's wet to blow the water off. Now, what we're gonna do is I have a 20-volt blower, all right? This is a 20-volt blower, okay? We're gonna use that first just to see the difference in how strong that is compared to that little small handheld, all right? So let's get some water on the car. I know you guys are like, this car is clean. Why is he gonna wet this car up again? I'm doing it for you guys. All right, you see that water, right? Now, we're gonna use this bad boy first. Okay, it did okay. Let's wet it back up. Let's try this. I think it did a pretty good job for it to only be 25 bucks, maybe 28. That DeWalt blower cost me 100. So, hey, fraction of the cost. I think it works pretty well. This is one of those things that you use for the cracks and crevices. So when you have water inside the light grooves, you know, around the actual grill, things like that, you want to use this. Yeah, this thing works good to get water out of like just little crevices, like in here between the grill and the light. Look at it. Dry. You know, the bottom of the grill. All right, so let's just say you got water all over your glass, right? You don't want to wipe it because it gets smeared. You use this bad boy. See what I mean? So it's good for in between door jambs, the glass, spraying the water off the rims, things like that. Let's try the rims too. So we got water all over the rim. Check it out, rims dry. Yeah, this right here may not be used to dry a whole car off, but to do rims, your headlights, grill, bumper, door jambs, your front windshield, your rear windshield, your side glasses, your actual external mirrors. This thing is awesome. Get you one of these. It's crazy. This little thing's crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish drying off my car now. I'm out.